Me limitaré solo a darle la bienvenida a Henry, que se sienta en Vigo como su casa.
Spain have always been the league that I wanted to play. The people, they believe in me. And I think Celta is the club where I can grow as a player.